Well, I had one job to do. My wife said, please clean the oven. And she provided me with a product called Easy Clean, I think it is, which was extremely messy and ended up burning my fingers. But anyway, I cleaned it all off and it was okay. It wasn't super duper. So I thought, using a bit of initiative, I would finish it off using a product called WD40. It cleans things in the garage and it cleaned the oven really well. Cleaned the glass up, it cleaned the interior up, and I'm very, very pleased with it. My wife has got some reservations, mostly the fact that there's a bit of residual sort of smell, but I'm gradually burning it off. I think she's just being a little bit negative.